Life sciences is a large and complicated field. This presentation is intended as a brief and broad overview. Life sciences are a range of disciplines that work with and study living organisms. There are many subsets, but a few are biotech, bioscience, biosystems, immunotherapy, and so on. Vivariums are where living test subjects are kept. They may house subjects like rats, monkeys, plants, insects, and fungi. Labs are where the work is performed. Some labs focus on computation and engineering. Wet labs focus on manipulating liquids, biological matter, and chemicals. The science that begins in a computational lab is often confirmed in a wet lab. Agents are the materials applied to living test subjects in life sciences labs. Categories include bacterial, fungal, parasitic, rickettsial, and viral. Some examples are anthrax, botulism, candida, blood fluke, Rocky Mountain spotted fever, and Ebola. Agents are assigned to risk groups by the National Institute of Health. They are Risk Group 1, Risk Group 2, Risk Group 3, which can pose severe to lethal threats to humans and the environment, and Risk Group 4, which are incurable and often fatal. The Federal Select Agent Program oversees the possession, use, and transfer of select agents and toxins. Select agents are select agents because they have the potential for use in biological warfare. For select agents only, the FSAP provides regulation, inspections, and security risk assessments. Of note is that most agents, up to and including most Risk Group 3 agents, are not in the Select Agent Program. Similar to Amazon or Google marketplaces, agents and vectors can be purchased online. Each marketplace optimizes the shopping experience. For example, here's how coronavirus and rabies can be purchased. Use is the manner of the work performed. The riskier the procedures performed are to humans, the higher the use rating. For example, working with rabies in a cell culture has a use rating, but working with the same rabies but in a lab animal would have a higher use rating. The combined agent risk group and the use determine the overall risk and the subsequent biosafety level required of a lab. BSL-1, BSL-2, BSL-3, and BSL-4. Each biosafety level has its own specific containment controls for laboratory practices, equipment, and facility construction such as HVAC, air exhaust, waste, cold storage, utilities, and so on. Thanks again for your time and willingness to learn more about this complicated and important field.